Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect your Calendly with Squarespace website. And to do this, first of all, you want to create a Calendly event or just use the one you already created. So I'm going to go on the one I have already created. Now I want to click share, and as you can see, there's a inline embed add scheduling page to your site. So we want to choose that one, and after that you can choose a background color, a text color, button color, and everything else. Maybe you want to hide event type details or hide the cookie banner, so we can do that. Now you want to copy the code and go ahead to Squarespace, then click edit on your website, and let's put the Calendly somewhere here. Let's add a block right here, and now we want to find a code or HTML. So let's try it with the code and enter it right here. That's that. Now it should display source code. Now it should actually work. Now, as you can see, adding JavaScript and iframe embeds with a premium feature, so you actually need a Squarespace premium for it to work, but it definitely works with all other websites, not only Squarespace, so just keep in mind that you need a premium feature for this to show up. But yeah, that's basically it, guys. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.